Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I was sitting here working with this leather and this wire, trying to figure out, what exactly I was going to do with it. So I did wrap some leather. I don't know if you can see the leather in there. And then I do have to use this wire. It's too thin for me to use as a base for like earrings or even for a necklace. So I'm not going to use it for that. So I'm like, okay, I got to use it for something. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and make a lot of different earrings like this, using the leather, and wrapping the leather with the wire. So what that does is it gives me two materials that are really not good materials that I want to use, and I can create something sellable and usable from both of the materials. So this is probably what I'm gonna do, and I think I'm gonna use more than one color on each pair of earrings. So I did do another pair right here, and these have like some orange and that fuchsia color, and I like the way they look too, like very different, really unique. They're very light, not heavy at all. So I'm going to be making a lot more of these, and I might even do some that's a little bit, maybe a little bit longer, or even make them longer and then curve them up almost like a half circle, and then put wire at the end of it, and then make them like teardrops or something. But I'll figure something else out. Just wanted to share these with you all. I hope everybody is well, and we'll talk soon.